Cocaine, fentanyl, heroin.
So did you crush it up?
Yeah.
And snort it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because there's straws and everything all downstairs.
My life is over.
It's not over.
It's over.
Date, the 4th of March, 2023. Location, residential. Home, Illinois jurisdiction.
Downstairs basement.
Yep.
Keep them dad while the kids are upstairs.
Yep, I know. I had them before. Yeah.
Yeah, no effects really on it, right? Alright, yeah, it's
Pick up for me.
Last time they found it underneath the couch. Underneath the couch, I believe, last time.
Oh, there you are. Welcome back to Earth. Oh!
We didn't give anything to this. No.
We did.
You gave her some?
We did.
Okay.
1 round.
1 round? Okay. Hello.
Unbelievable.
You know your ad?
Man.
What's your name?
Yeah, he's got his bed in him.
What's your name?
Narcan for you. One for everybody. You guys got a flush?
I got one for you here. Okay. You overdosed. Here's the IO bag. We don't need it. Sure, yeah.
What was it you guys were snorting?
What'd you think? They're next door.
They're taking care of them.
What do you think you were snorting? What is it that you thought you took? Cocaine, fentanyl, heroin.
Stay down, bud. Oxy, okay. That explains. Okay. Will be too much.
Have them come. Everybody else can cancel.
You guys won't stop breathing.
Yeah.
My son called 911, got us here, and got you some Narcan, and you're breathing again, so.
He saved you.
Within minutes.
I'm going to go get the kids' names. Any of them getting transported?
Yeah.
Just the husband? Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Yes.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just wondering where he's at.
Your husband?
Yeah.
He's in the ambulance.
That one?
Yeah, more closer up.
So, the grandparents live down the street. That's where we're trying to figure out what their exact address and name is. That's what Kenny ran. Double overdose. Sounds like they snorted oxy. Both the kids and one of their kids was downstairs with them when they did it.
Did they see it?
The kids didn't see him snore anything, but the one son that called said he noticed his dad was getting pale and like kind of seemed like he was tired. And all of a sudden they just passed out. So, while they were playing video games. So, yeah. Yeah, she overdosed 3 months ago.
Yeah, they have this is like not the first time the kids have.
What's that?
Sorry.
So I'm not going to yell at you. I'm not going to...
Hi, are you Cindy?
Yes.
Okay. Morgan, I know you talked to some of the other deputies, but since I'm handling the report, what actually happened?
He got something from some temp employee from his work.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know who it was, or I would tell you.
Okay. Well, what did it look like?
A blue pill.
A blue pill? How'd you guys take it? And how many?
Just one.
So did you crush it up?
Yeah.
And snort it?
Yeah.
Okay. Because there's straws and everything all downstairs.
The straw from his weed.
His weed? What is
They
he
come
doing?
with cones. and you packed the.
Okay. Okay. So there was only one blue pill.
And we shared it.
Okay. Both of you guys snorted it while the kids were downstairs?
No.
Okay. So when?
You stay here. I'm going to go talk to the boys.
Kids were upstairs playing.
Okay. What was the last thing you remembered?
Walking downstairs for a minute and then planning to come back up.
Okay. Because what the kids are telling me is they were downstairs playing video games, and you guys both passed out downstairs.
They came down to play then.
Mm-hmm.
They weren't down there.
Okay. But they were the ones that found you guys gargling and not breathing. Thankfully, your one son was smart enough to call 911 and run over to the neighbor's house, or you guys would probably still be laying down there. So is there anything else in the house?
No.
Anything that...
Some weed.
Just weed? Okay.
I don't even think there is.
What about guns?
No.
There's 0 firearms in this
There's
house.
0 firearms in this
What
house.
about the holster?
Or
and the
no,
box?
there might be
What?
shotguns upstairs.
Okay.
What about the holster?
Those are kids.
No, that was for a firearm. So are there
No,
firearms
our
in this
kids
house?
have.
Okay, so...
But like...
What are his
holsters
prescription drugs that he takes?
Clonazepam,
What else?
albuterol inhaler.
Okay. Is there anything else that kids can get a hold of in the house?
No.
Okay. Because I was here 3 months ago,
I know.
and the same thing happened.
I can show you the cabinet
That you guys keep your pills in?
where I have my medication.
Okay. Well, I found 2 of his clonazepams downstairs. In the pill bottle, and opened up, left on the ground. So, here's what's going on. So they both overdosed. Because that they were both the adult parents in the house, and there was no other adult, we have to call DCFS and let them know what's going on.
Yeah.
So,
I understand that.
what we're trying to do, though, to help you guys out, is I told the one deputy when he was talking to him that you guys live in the area, and you would be a house to be able to hold them for whenever they do the investigation.
Yes.
So instead of them having to come down here
They
and hold
each
the
have
boys
their own
for,
bedroom at our house.
right. So that's what we're trying to do now. They're going to get a hold of us here in a little bit. Okay, but the kids got to stay technically on scene with us.
Put them in our car and just keep them in our car.
No, they can't because technically we're in custody of the children right now.
Okay.
So, but I appreciate you guys coming out and helping us out. Do you know of prior drug use in the home? Okay. How often has this happened?
Well, I know our daughter's been taking prescription.
Okay. Any other drug use? Besides weed, I'm not concerned about weed.
Just weed is all I know about.
She had a reaction several months ago because her doctor changed her prescription.
Mm-hmm.
And when she first took it, maybe it was too much.
Yeah, you
But
can.
something similar happened, but she had just changed prescriptions.
Okay.
It was, a normal day. It wasn't like this. It was in the middle of the afternoon. Kids were here. She took whatever the prescription was.
And she had a seizure.
Okay.
That happened, yeah.
Yeah.
So you don't even have a clue what you took? Did he say what it would do to you guys?
It was supposed to be oxy and
Supposed to be oxy?
couldn't have been.
How big was the pill?
It was a little tiny.
Okay. You guys used a grinder to crush it up?
We had some old mortar and pestle thing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So here's what's going on right now. We're contacting DCFS. So once we know what's going on with them and what they want to do with the children tonight, I'll let you know.
They can't just go with my parents.
DCFS has to know of something like this. So as soon as I find out what they want to do, I'll let you know. But the other issue is you had another kid, your neighbor's kid over at the house too, that you guys are in charge of.
I know. And I ruined my son's friendship.
Well, you just about ruined your son because he's on the floor in our house crying on my feet. Because he thinks you guys are both dead on the ground in your own home. I mean, I would get it if the kids were out, but, I mean, I guess you have them to thank because they're the only reason why you guys are still alive right now. But, I don't get it.
I don't get it either. It wasn't rational. It wasn't.
Well, you've done this before. I mean, how many times is it going to take before you actually end up dead on the floor with them just looking at you?
Just never.
I mean,
Never.
It's just. I don't know how to describe it, honestly. I don't know if ridiculous is the right word or just. I mean, the last thing I want to do is come to a house right when I start work, and I got two kids crying on my feet because they think their mom and dad's dead. And then I got the neighbor boy that doesn't know what the hell happened.
Let me grab a bag. We got a bag of stuff from downstairs. We were just going to throw it away, but we'll have to log it now.
Yeah.
The stuff that's relevant. There's like, was it Percocet? No, it wasn't Percocet. Clonazepam. There's like a mortar bowl where they ground it up, shit up. And I'll grab that bag.
Okay. Yep, something has to be done. Alright, Morgan, here's the deal. So we just got off the phone with the State Attorney's office. You and your husband are both going to be placed on arrest for endangering the welfare of a child. I will let you say goodbye to the kids. I'm not going to handcuff you in front of them. But they're going to come out here and then they're going to go back in. I'm going to let your grandma, or your mom and your dad know what's going on. Alright? So stay right here. Have the kids come out here. I'm going to let them say bye.
Oh my God.
It's going to be that one with the lights on all the way down there.
Oh my God. My life is over.
It's not over.
It's over.
No, it's not. You could be dead right now, and then your boys have no one to watch over them.
I've already lost them.
You haven't lost them yet. There's ways to get them back.
Oh my God.
Incident. Both parents simultaneously overdosed on illicitly manufactured fentanyl while solely responsible for multiple minor children in the home. Charges. Both parents arrested and charged with endangering the life of a child following consultation with the State Attorney Office. Miranda versus Arizona, 384 U.S. 4361966. Miranda warnings are required only when a subject is both in custody and under interrogation. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 4201984. On-scene pre-arrest questioning does not constitute custodial interrogation. Morgan was not yet under arrest during the interview. All statements made were voluntary and are fully admissible in criminal proceedings. Lesson: pre-arrest interviews, conducted before custody attaches, are one of the most valuable and legally protected investigative tools available to law enforcement. Horton v. California, 496 U.S. 1281990. Officers lawfully present may seize evidence without a warrant when its incriminating nature is immediately apparent. Drug paraphernalia observed during a lawful welfare check response falls squarely within the plain view doctrine and requires no search warrant for seizure. Lesson: evidence collected in plain view during emergency response is protected from suppression and does not require prior judicial authorization. 720 ILCS 5 Section 12C 5 endangering the life or health of a child. The statute requires knowing conduct, not intent to harm the child. A prior overdose at the same address 3 months earlier establishes actual knowledge of risk and satisfies the knowing element as a matter of law. 720 ILCS 5 Section 12C 5 Subsection B. The offense elevates to a Class 3 felony, where the conduct is likely to cause great bodily harm to the child. Lesson: A prior incident at the same address transforms the legal characterization from negligent conduct to knowing endangerment, directly affecting charge severity. 325 ILCS 5. Section 4, Abused and Neglected Child Reporting Act. Law enforcement officers are designated mandatory reporters under Illinois statute. DCFS notification upon discovering both parents incapacitated was not discretionary. It was a non-delegable statutory obligation triggered automatically upon the facts observed. Parens Patriae Doctrine. The state holds inherent authority to act as guardian when parents are unable to protect children in their care. Lesson: when both custodial parents are simultaneously incapacitated, DCFS, Emergency Protective Custody Authority, activates by operation of Law 720 ILCS 570, Section 401. Illinois Controlled Substances Act fentanyl possession is a Class 1 felony for quantities over 15 grams and Class 4 felony for smaller amounts. 720 ILCS 5. Section 9 to 3.3 Drug-induced homicide criminal liability attaches to any person who delivers a controlled substance causing death or great bodily harm. The individual who supplied the counterfeit pill, identified as a temporary employee, faces independent felony exposure regardless of whether either victim survived. Lesson: in counterfeit fentanyl cases, investigative priority should include identifying and charging the supplier under drug-induced homicide statutes. Pre-arrest consultation with the state attorney office insulates the charging decision from suppression challenge and confirms prosecutorial viability. Lesson: seeking prosecutorial review before formalizing arrest is best practice in sensitive cases involving minors, drug offenses, and simultaneous multi-party custody.